Hi, and welcome to ECD 549's narrated presentation addressing various components of toddler growth and development. According to NACE, toddlers span the age range from 12 to 36 months of age. During this period, children acquire a sense of autonomy and independence through the mastery of various specialized tasks, such as control of body functions, refinement of motor and language skills, and the acquisition of socially acceptable behavior. The word toddler is derived from the word toddle, which means to walk unsteadily, a common milestone of this age child. Toddler years are an exciting time filled with increased mobility, toilet training, temper tantrums, and large amounts of overall growth. The toddler years are a great time for growth and development. They learn and grow at exponential rates. One of the most exciting areas of development is in language. Their understanding and use of words build rapidly. Physically, their skills and coordination are also changing. And of course, socially, emotionally, we all know the terrible twos span the middle of those toddler years. When serving as the teacher and caregiver for a toddler, it is important that we create a language-rich environment where our toddlers are surrounded by talking, singing, and reading. We need to provide meaningful opportunities to communicate with others and engage in back and forth interactions. This is important to their brain development and can have strong effects on later achievements. Toddlers go through many significant changes between 12 to 36 months. It is important to remember no two toddlers develop at the same rate. There are many charts and checklists that provide an overview of typical milestones, and these can be very helpful for both parents and caregivers. Toddler development can be monitored formally through checklists and various assessment tools, as well as informally through observations of how they play, learn, speak, and interact. Major milestones are broken into gross and fine motor skills, sensory, language, and social growth. Gross motor includes reaching milestones such as walking, running, and climbing. Fine motor skills include feeding themselves and drawing pictures, and sensory growth, as implied by the name, addresses the growth in the complexity with sensory-related skills and abilities. In terms of language development, over the span of the toddler years, the language develops from single words to full sentences. Socially, the toddler begins to play with others, engages in turn-taking, and participates in dramatic and fantasy play. Clearly, there are many developmental changes that occur throughout the toddler years. Toddlers depend on adults to meet their basic needs. Early childhood professionals must promote the physical health, mental health, nutrition, and safety for young children in partnership with their families. Sound health, safety, and nutritional practices provide the foundation for development and learning. Physical, social, emotional, and cognitive development are closely related and largely interdependent. As early childhood educators, it is imperative that we understand typical development and milestones and can recognize developmental delays in toddlers so that we can best advocate for the children and their families. Understanding and supporting toddler growth and development is a collaborative process and one that must be shared across multiple shared stakeholders.